this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to redeem your Google Play gift card on your Android phone. So this is very easy. So if you're using this to purchase things through the Google Play Store, it might be a little bit confusing on where you actually need to place this. So if we go back to the home screen on our phone, we can see the Google Play Store is located right here. It might be under your apps list. Just find it and then select it. Now when you're at the home screen here, go to your profile in the top right. So you can see the options for gift cards. You can go to that, but that's not going to bring you to a section where you can actually redeem your Google Play gift card. What you want to do is go to the top right here, go to Payment and Subscription. Select this. Now you can see your credit cards if you got them in there, anything like that, but you have the option to redeem code located right here. We can just select this. Now take your Google Play gift card and scratch off the back of it. There's going to be a code now, and you can just type in that code and reveal it. Now you also have the option to scan gift card. You can just press this and line this up with the code on the back of your gift card, so whatever it might be. And it'll automatically just capture that, and then it'll place it in the screen. And then you can just go to where it says continue or redeem right here, and it'll add those points or money to your account now. So you can use this now to purchase things on the Google Play Store. So very easy to go ahead and redeem. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.